Welcome back. In this tutorial we're gonna learn how to declare a floating point decimal variable. So there are two ways you can print a decimal value. You can declare a variable with a decimal value. In int value you can only store a integer value. You can't store like that 30.1. I can store this. It's an integer value. It's gonna give me an error. So if error is this, and this too, it's our last tutorial. So if I write float means floating point. It's gonna, and I say decimal, and I'm gonna equal to it 19.07, and now I'm gonna print this out. You already know these functions and everything. If you don't know, then watch our last tutorials. So here it is, 19.07. Okay, so another way is to use double instead of float keyword. It's actually keyword. Int was also keyword. So double, I'm sorry, it's the same thing, but the difference it's in memory. Double contains can contain a bigger decimal point. It has actually a range. You can search on Google. You can find out how much memory it's gonna occupy and how much memory float variable gonna occupy in RAM, and how much int. You can understand. So no difference between these two, but the difference, if we have a very large decimal value or very low value. And another thing is to how to add two variables. Let's suppose I have a double and I have another double. It says second variable, and it's 20.89. okay, I want to print the sum, and I want to assign it to the third variable. It's called sum. Sum is equal to decimal, of course, decimal plus second. So I want to print this sum, so I want to write here it is. I want to write a statement, and I'm going to print sum. So here it is. The sum is 39.96. You can, of course, 19.07 plus 20.89. So see you in next tutorial. Thank you for watching.